Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we have solved question number 2 of exercise number 2.1. Now we will solve question number 3 of the same exercise. And the question number 3 is, which of the following statements are true and which are false? And the statements are, the first part is 2 by 3 is an irrational number. Okay, 2 by 3 is an irrational number. First of all, what is an irrational number? A number which cannot be written in the form of p over q, where p and q belongs to set of integers, q is not equals to 0, and p and q are relatively prime. So this is not an irrational number because this holds all the conditions. 2 by 3, p and q belongs to z, it is true, and q is not equal to 0, it is also true, and p and q are relatively prime, this condition is also true, so the statement is false. So the first statement is false because this is not a irrational number, this is a rational number, because they satisfy all the conditions for the rational number. And the second part is pi is an irrational number. This is true because we know that pi is an irrational number. E is also an irrational number, so the second part is true. The third part is 1 by 9 is a terminating fraction. Okay, 1 by 9 is a terminating fraction. We can check. Put 1 under the division and 9 outside the division. 1 is less than 9, so put 0 point, and here comes 0. 9 ones are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 is again less, so put again 0 here. 9 1 is 9, again minus, again 10 minus 9 is 1. Again this is 1, 1 is less than 9, so again put 0. So the fraction is not terminating because its answer will be 0.1111 and so on. It has no the proper answer. So the 1 by 9 is not a terminating fraction, so the statement is false. And the fourth part is 3 by 4 is a terminating fraction. Okay, put 3 under the division and 4 outside the division. 3 is less than 4, so put 0 point here and here comes 0, so 4 sevens are 28. 30 minus 28, it's 2. 2 is also less than 4, so put 0 here, and 4 fives are 20. Plus 20 and minus 20 is 0, so it is equals to 0.75, and we can say that this is the terminating fraction, so the statement is true. So the fourth part is true. And the fifth part is 4 by 5 is a recurring fraction. So again we will divide 4 by 5, put 4 under the division and 5 outside. 4 is less than 5, so put 0 point here and put 0 here, and 5 8s are 40, so 4 by 5 is equals to 0.8, so it is not a recurring fraction, so the statement is false. So the question number 3 is solved. Now we will solve question number 4 of the same exercise, and the question number 4 is represent the following numbers on the number line. And the first part is 2 by 3, for representing the rational number 2 by 3 on the number line, divide the line unit, here minus infinity and here plus infinity, here is 0, this is 1 2 3, and here minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3, and so on. Divide the unit line between 0 and 1. This is 0 and this is 1. Divide 3 equal parts. Divide 3 equal parts and take only 2, and here 2 by 3 is locate. So we can say that 2 by 3 is lies under the 0 between the 0 and 1. This is a representation of 2 by 3 on the number line. The second part is minus 4 divided by 5. Here plus infinity, here minus infinity, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and 2 and so on. Okay, so minus 4 by 5, divide the number line between the 0 and minus 1 into the five equal parts. 1 2 3 4. So we divide it into 5 equal parts. Now take the fourth part from the minus side. So here minus 4 by 5 is located. So this is the representation of minus 4 by 5 on the number line. This is the second part of question number 4. Now we will solve the third part, and the third part is 1 whole 3 by 4. We can say that it is equals to 1 plus 3 by 4. So here minus 1 minus 2, and here 1 and 2. 1 plus 3 by 4, it means it located between 1 and 2 from the positive side. So take 4 equal parts, divide the line in the between 1 and 2 into 4 equal parts, and take only 3 part. Here 1 whole 3 by 4 is represent. So this is the representation of 1 whole 3 by 4 on the number line. Now the next part is minus 2 5 by 8. It will be equals to minus 2 whole 5 by 8 is equals to, take minus common, 2 plus 5 by 8. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2 and 3 and so on. Okay, divide the line between minus 2 and minus 3 into 8 equal parts, and take only 5 parts. So this is the representation of minus 2 whole 5 by 8 on the number line. This was the fourth part of question number 4. Question number 4 is solved. Now we will solve question number 5 of exercise number 2.1. And the question number 5 is, give a rational number between 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. Give a rational number between 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. And here the solution. Let that number is x. Okay, between the 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. The required number is the mean of two given numbers. So the required number is x will be equals to 3 by 4 plus 5 by 9 divided by 2. It's the mean formula. So x will be equals to 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 plus 5 by 9. Take LCM here. We get 36. 4 9s are 36, so 3 9s are plus 9 4s are 36, so 5 multiplied by 4. 1 by 2 into 27, 9 3s are 27 plus 20 divided by 36, and it will be equals to 47 divided by 72. So this is the number, this is the rational number between the 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. Question number 5 is complete. Now we will solve the question number 6 in our next video. Allah Hafiz.